to get your intros, right? I think so. And you'll be stuck with the uh, remaining of market looking for intros. So that's what you'll be stuck with. As long as you can identify the trend. That's major problem that me too I usually faced before. Understand? And the cases is that there are some cases whereby the market is not saying anything. You don't understand what market is saying. So it's not every time you actually know what the market is saying. Like there might not be any direction. What market is just telling you is to just sit down, rest, take a chill chill pill. You understand? So for me, this is personally the way I check how I identify trend, the way I check where market is going to. So as a swing trader, yeah, I transitioned into swing trading. It's not even up to a year, maybe like 6 months ago or so. And I've been enjoying it. It's been a bliss. So I start from the monthly time frames. So we have the monthly time frame. We have GU here. Then we're looking at GU. GU has been an uptrend for quite a while now. Coming. So, so we have this push to the upside. Retracement. Push. Retracement. Push. Retracement. Push. Currently retracement, then by another push currently. So this signifies a buy. That is basically how I check. Remember, I'm a swing trader, so I really don't care whatever the lower time frame is doing. Understand? So I play to the big boys chart, or let's say the big jet chart. So for me now, this is a bullish trend. So it's as simple as that. That is basically how I I note direction. It's just simple. Higher higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It's as simple as that. Same as the lower lows. Same as the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower lows. It's as simple as that. That's how I identify the trend. So right now, what gold is saying, sorry, what GBP USD is telling me is to what? Is to buy. So what I'll be looking at is buy. But there has to be other confluences. So another confluence that I personally look at is where are we? Where is market in right now? So I trade liquidity with structure, right? I trade liquidity with structure. So we've been having this so all of these lows as liquidity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is new low created. So all of this, they are liquidity for me. They are all these lows there, they are liquidity. We have this place waiting for OB. These are OB right here. Last bearish candle before bullish momentum. I don't know how your own definition is, but for me that's it. So this is an OB here. So the another conference I look at is where do markets change trend? Another conference I look at to cause after I know the direction, okay, market has to get to somewhere before, because we can't be buying forever. So when I check the trend, okay, we are bullish. Where we market likely change trend. I need to know where market is going to change trend, or where is going to be my next TP. It's feel like that, because if I don't know it, I'd rather sit out. I'd rather sit out. So now for me, where market is going to change trend for me is this guy right here. Why? Because we have, following the history that we've had, is GU got it before the bullish movement started. We have a cells coming down from here. We have this lower low, lower high, lower low, break of structure, lower high, lower low, a new lower high creating. So if we have any place market is going to stop, we have this, you know, this level. So all of this plays like this. So this is going to be where I'm going to stop buying. Why? Because price rejected from here, one, rejected from here, two, then this is going to be the third direction. So if price now breaks out from this place, then I'll continue my buy. But immediately we get to this place, I'll stop buying. Or when we enter into this place, I'm going to check out for price, what price is saying inside this place. So if you are going to continue buy or continue sell. If I can't find anything, I'll just sit it out. So that is how you identify trends. First of all, you look out for your liquidities. You check your higher and higher lows. For me, on the monthly time frames, you look out for liquidity, and you check your where market is going to change trend. Because if you don't know where market is going to change trend, it's going to be difficult for you to actually identify trend. Because you are just buying, you're just buying. You don't know. You have to know where it's going to. But you identify it. What if it has gotten to what's it called? It has gotten to where it wants to change trend. You don't know. So know where price is going to stop. And it's because you said this place is gonna be the stoppage point of this maybe bullish trend or bearish trend. Market is not gonna stop there. And sorry, that the market is not going to respect it. That is your own. Market might not respect it. Understand? So that's that for GU. Let's see EU2. For EU, bullish. So I'm currently in EU apparently. So they have similar what's it called? Similar price action. So looking at it too from the monthly time frame, it's been bullish. So we have this impulse, retracement, consolidation, retracement. So this is the low, this is the high. So consolidated at this range here, then created a new low, went high, then came for another low, which currently is going up. Understand? So coming, sorry. Sorry. So that's it for that. So we are bullish as well on this. So where's our liquidity? Our liquidity here is we have this as a liquidity, we have leaks as liquidity. So what we had on GU, that OB, this one has been mitigated. Why these guys one has not been mitigated? So where's our point of market changing? This place. We have this stoppage point, we have this stoppage point, and we're gonna have this as stoppage point. See. So what you can do now is just go down to your lower time frame. When you already know your stoppage point, look for buys on your lower time frame. Maybe weekly, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour. All you just need to do is just look for your what's it called, entries. See, it's simple. It's not complicated. Know your higher and higher lows. You are able to identify your higher and higher lows. Remember, I don't want to go deep into higher and higher lows because I believe you should have known. But after a break of structure, that's what indicates what's it called, higher high or higher low. There has to be a break of structure. This is a break of structure. This is a break of structure. So first structure. So a break of structure is this. So this is a break of structure here. This, because this is the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I really don't want to go into that for today. So that's a break of structure. So that's just know it. Higher lows, break of structure, retracement, whatever it is. Note that. So those are the things. So 3 things to take away from today's class is higher lows. Use them for identifying your trend while you check out for your liquidity. Then you know the stoppage point of wherever. Today is for bullish. The next class I'm going to talk about bearish. No stoppage point for the structure. Another thing, this is my own style. Another person's style might be different from mine, but this is how I check markets for myself. So I'm in a trade 4 hour time frame. So as I was able to identify the trend, so what I just did is simple checking 4 hours. So the same thing I explained on the higher time frame. The same thing I'm going to explain here. So as you can see, we've been bullish from the monthly. So impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse. So see, we'll be having it. So all I know is that we are bullish. Impulse, retracement, we'll be having it. That's what the monthly time frame tells me. So the same thing I did here, impulse, retracement. So I got my entry here. The next structure, break of structure. We need it here. We have this break of structure here, retracement. So it's as simple as that. See you in the next class. This is my TP level, break of structure, and this is the overall TP for the bullish movement. So see you guys next class. Peace out.